Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change background color in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the top right and click on Confluence Administration, right? And then here on the left hand panel, I want you to scroll down until you see Look and Feel. I want you to click on it and then click on Customize Navigation. So here we go. You can of course, upload your logos. Now here is the navigation colors. You can change the background of this, and then later I'll also show you how to change the background of the specific sites. So here is the background color of the main navigation bar. You can change this. So let's say we choose this color right here. Okay, and then we can click on add. Now this color selection has been added. As you can see, you can change the highlight color as well. Let's make this the shade of red. Click on add, and then make sure you save your changes. Then you can refresh your page and you will see it updated right here at the top. And now I'll also show you how to change the background color of the site itself. So now that this is done, for this site, what you want to do is click here on apps, and under explore apps, I want you to just search up Aura, press enter, right? And then click on this one right here, Aura content formatting macros, right? And I need you to go ahead and install this into Confluence. So all you need to do is actually just press right here on try for free, okay? And then you just select your site you want to add this to. So I already have just one, so add it to this one, and it will be added to this product, which is Confluence. You can just review and install, okay? So scroll all the way down, click on Start Free Trial. And now, as you can see, it is being added, and they'll inform you once that is done. There you go, it has been added to your instance, and it says ready for use. So what you do is you go to your space where you'd install this site, and then let me go ahead and add a new page, and I'll show you how to do the background. So you can click on create, you can click on page, and then all you need to do in whatever page you are in is you just type in /, okay, in your page, and then type in Aura. And now I want you to choose Aura, and then we just scroll down to background content. And now we can go ahead and customize everything. So here by default, it has used this image. Of course, you can remove this. And this is the current background color, which is transparent. Of course, you can set your own. Let's do this shade of pink. This one looks a bit purplish. And you can, of course, choose your own hex code. And once you're happy with it, of course, you can change the opacity as well. Once you're happy, I want you to just click here on save, right? And then basically on this page right here, you'll see this is the background content. And if you're wondering why it looks like that, don't worry, because when you come and preview this, so let's click on more actions, click on preview. So there you go. That is the background color. And that is how to change background color in Confluence.